I'm Abbas Hamid. I'm the director of the company, and I'm in charge of production, purchase, planning, and finance. Basically, EPOCH Aerosol Industries, we are leading manufacturers of aerosol products such as body sprays, deodorants, air fresheners, anything that can be produced in aerosol cans. We are manufacturers of personal care, home care, body care products such as creams, lotions, shower gels, cleaning products. All those items are manufactured in-house over here. And we have end-to-end solutions. So starting from graphic designing to complete formulations to end packaging of all the products. My colleague found it online, ads of multi-systems and the OKI Pro systems, machines and all, and how we can use it. Based on that, he recommended to us, and then we came to multi-systems company and discussed about the products. Basically, all our labels were outsourced, but we were facing a lot of issues as in rejection wise. Also, our developments were getting delayed too much because when you do the graphic designing, you only see something on the screen, but you don't get an exact idea how it will come onto the product. And many a times after getting onto the product, the labels, a lot of rejections were there, as in the text, fine red text were rejected because they were not checked properly, or certain legal issues or certain government requirements were there which have changed, but already the labels have been printed. So a lot of our labels were going into waste, and certain times our projects are getting delayed because we don't know how it will come or what it will look, or what do we need to change, or customers are not sure how the final product will come, so they are not able to take decisions as well. We were looking at something that we can print as a before we give for commercial printing, and see and look how it comes. And that's how we came to OKI company, multi-systems, to see what we can do. Our initial discussions were starting with a very basic machine which could do 50 to 100 labels like that, just as a flatbed or something, so we can at least see or get an idea of how a finished product would come. But during our visit to multi-systems and seeing all the other products as well, that's where we decided to go for OKI Pro 1050 and the label finisher, because that after seeing that we realized that it's just not a sampling thing we can do. We can actually use it for our finishing products, because certain times we have a smaller run, batches of 200 pieces, 500 pieces and stuff like that. So that makes our work much more easier in that sense. You don't have to go for a minimum batch run of 5,000, 10,000 pieces, and we can start with a test run of 200, 500 pieces, test the market, test the product, and then decide on what we need to go further do it on. Basically, the OKI Pro 1050 printer and the label finisher, it gives us the flexibility to design our own label. It also allows us to print on transparent surfaces, opaque surfaces. There are a lot of multiple choices of the paper finishes that we can select from metallic papers to a basic white paper. And also you can use laminations to get a final finish as well, protect the label as well. So there's a lot of flexibility in designing of labels, setting up, which gives us more designing options to meet our marketing strategies. Also, the printer is very easy to set up and allows for 5 color printing options. So it makes our in-house printing and evaluation options, appearances, aesthetics of the designs on the printed labels much more easier. And also when we submit the designing to the customer, it gives a more professional look. And even when we are doing a test runs of it in the market for smaller batches, it gives a professional look onto that as well. It's not that, okay, it's a test run. For the customer, it's an end product at the end of the day. So that's what the flexibility is, that we are giving an end product to our customer. So it's not a test run, it's an actual product. Businesses like us, I would definitely recommend them to use the OKI 1050 Pro because it gives you a lot of flexibility to do the smaller runs, especially while in cosmetics business. It demands a lot of innovations. Constant new products have to be developed and have to be put into the market. Every month there is new chemicals, new products, new natural products coming out. So that has to be developed. And for every one of them you need to do a trial run, and this allows you the flexibility to do that. So definitely I would recommend the businesses for this. They are a very professional company and also very technically strong. That is the main thing which I liked about them. When we went there to meet them, we were discussing about a separate product altogether. My colleague had finalized some other product. While meeting them, they did not shy away from showing all the different options, doing test runs, and answering all the technical questions that we had. All the answers were very satisfactory. Also, after sales service was also very good. Any issues, anything, immediate assistance was provided on phone, physical, all the support that was required. Because for us, we had no idea of how to operate this machine. It was a completely new technology for us. So the hand holding at that time in the initial 6 months was very strong from them, and we really appreciate the support on it. This is some of our products in the cosmetics, aerosols and personal body care range. These are body sprays, air fresheners, body mists. These products over here, they were initially launched using the OKI Pro printers and the label makers, and then later on the commercial printing was done. Especially this product as well, the mosquito repellent, the testing and everything was done using the OKI Pro printers. These are our moisturizers, body care range, the beard range.
Hi, I'm Ahmad Robledo. I am designated operator of the OKI Pro 1050 label printer and finishing machine. I'm working here as a graphic designer for more than 12 years. I'm the one who is using the printer itself. The printer itself is just a printer. It's just like printing an ordinary printer. But what is the advantage? You can use label as compared to the cut sheet one. It's just the same. It's very easy. Prepare the artwork according to the specification that's set by the printer itself, and then it's just easy. It doesn't pose much of the problem. Using it is not much of the challenge, but the way it was handed to me is quite a challenge because they give me 3 days to learn to print. That's including the training, trial run, and finish run. Only 3 days. And then on the 3rd day, I need to print 100 different kinds of label. And alhamdulillah, it was done. And they were able to launch the product after 5 days. That's the greatest challenge. Some minor things there, but because of the support of multi-system, it's easily been done because we can communicate by WhatsApp, by phone, and even by email. Quality is just the same in any surfaces or any paper that you use, any type of label that you use. Quality is the same. Only thing is up to the operator or to the graphic designer how it will look more rich. But the quality is just the same. It never changed. Some of the labels that was there is still is there, not fading. Basically, this type of printer, the ink will last for 5 years, but it's more than 3 years and it's still there. It's great. Production time, it depends, no? It depends. Basically, the use of the printer, if the run is less than 1,000 or less than 2,000, we will use it for a day or maybe half a day or half an hour. It depends. It depends on the requirements. If it is one roll, it usually takes 1 hour and a half. It will be done, or sometimes it will take. It depends really on how much you are printing on the label itself. Yes, very much happy, and we can explain clearly what we need, You just need to shoot the video of your problem and they will respond also with another video for the solution.